the travel authority of the good governor. Wala pong medical whatever. Wala. And he was absent for the past, since the very first hearing. Wala po siya dito. Umiiwas yung mayor nyo. With this excuse letter that was sent to us by Mayor Ryan Dolor, this is unacceptable. Hindi po, for me, this is not valid reason for him to be absent today. Pang-apat na po ito.
And for me, it's obviously just trying to avoid appearing in this committee, Mr. Chair.
We declare Mayor Ryan Dolor in contempt. So move, Mr. Chair.
I second, Mr. Chair.
There's a motion to cite in contempt Mayor Ryan Dolor, Obawan, Batangas.
Kung bago ka lang dito sa NTPH, maaari bang makahingi ng isang like at subscribe? At huwag kalimutan pindutin ang notification bell para ma-notify kapag may ganito tayong upload. Salamat kabayan!
Yes po, no, na yung munisipyo ang nagpapasweldo sa staff supposedly of the water district. And wouldn't that be taking undue advantage of the generosity of the municipality ba?
Your Honor, from my understanding po, what Mr. Herbertan was talking about was the management contract.
Management contract pa data niya.
Management contract.
Yes.
And under the management contract po, the employees po are still under the payroll of the local government unit. The reason why, I suppose, Your Honor, ay dahil po sa ruling din na kailangan po ay banded po ang ating mga collectors. Kaya hindi po pwedeng under the payroll of a private entity yung po mga collectors natin.
Pero ito lang yung nakuha ko from Mr. Tan eh. Siya mismo nag-offer na siya na magpasweldo sa mga taong ipapasok niya sana. No, meaning, even under that management contract, he was earning enough to cover the wages of these people. Kasi siya na nga nag-volunteer eh. And from his mouth din, from his words, is that it was the treasurer who refused this offer. Now, wouldn't that be siguro super advantageous to the person who got that contract?
We understand, Mr.
Yes or no?
It would seem that way, Your Honor.
It is actually, di ba?
However, Your Honor, if I may po.
Yeah, go ahead.
Siguro po, ang iniisip po din ni Treasurer is magkakaproblema din po kami if in case, because I assume, based on the management contract, it was explicitly expressed po, Your Honor, that the employees are still under the payroll po ng LGU. And kung ang collector po ay under the payroll of the LGU, dapat po talaga ay banded sila.
Yes, I understand that was part of the contract. That's why I was saying also na in the previous hearings pa, sinabi ko na this guy got a sweetheart deal eh. Kasi siya nga willing to pay for the salaries, meaning included na sa kinikita niya, kaya niyang pagpasweldohan yung mga tao. But he got a contract which states na kami pa rin magpapasweldo sa mga taong yan. No? From the LGU side.
Yes, Your Honor.
So medyo talaga, I mean, okay, yung sobra pa sa, Chairman Akop, ano ba tawag mo dyan sa contract na yan? Di ba? Is that a sweetheart deal ba? Yes, it's a sweetheart contract, di ba? Na everything is in favor of the party na pumasok into that contract, no? So anyway, my co-findings naman po, and that COAS properly addressed this issue naman, di ba, na flagging it, right, COA? Okay, so sige. Thank you, Mr. Chair. Thank you.
Thank you, Vice Chair Kit. Anyway, before balikan natin yung nakabitin kanina na question that was raised by Vice Chair Kit doon po sa Adventureland. Tsaka yung kay Mr. Tan. Sir, balikan ka lang namin mamaya ulit, ha? Anyway, now we'll just go back to the admin matters that was discussed a while ago. Now, under the admin matters, we have to decide, since we have now the quorum, we have to decide on the continuous absence of number one, Mayor Ryan Dolor, who has issued the subpoena last hearing to Jonathan Yu. Since the first hearing, absent po, and he is now represented by Engineer Morales. Joseph Yu, the same. Now, Herbert Tan is now present. Thank you for coming ulit, sir. Now, and of course, the invitation that was addressed to Vice Mayor, the Vice Mayor of Vice Mayor Cruzat of Bawan, and the 12, nilagay pa nga dito si attorney. Attorney, parang binadali lang to eh. Yung excuse letter nila eh. Pati pangalan mo nandito.
Your Honor, if I may po, supposedly po kasama po ako doon. Kaya lang, as respect nga po, sinamahan ko din po yung akin pong mga, kasi lahat po ng kasama ko yung mga retired po na mga dating mga department heads.
Ay si Engineer Herman Bunggaling.
Nasa seminar po sa Bohol.
Sa GAD seminar?
Yes po, yes po.
Mr. Chair,
Yes, Chairman ako.
Madam Attorney,
Yes, yes, Your Honor.
bakit po kayo nag-decide na mag-attend? Hindi po kayo sumama sa GAD?
Dahil, actually, Your Honor, naawa po lang din talaga ako as administrator kasi wala pong kasama yung mga, kita nyo naman po ang mga kasama ko, talagang mga medyo may edad na po. At least maalalayan ko man lang po kahit sa sasakyan papunta dito.
And you're trying to tell this committee na yung inyong Vice Mayor, your councilors and the other officers who attended the GAD, wala po silang malasakit sa mga kasama nyo ngayon?
Ay, hindi naman po, Your Honor.
Yun po yung sinabi ninyo eh.
Hindi naman
Kaya
po.
ako tinanong anong dahilan po ninyo bakit kayo nandito, hindi po kayo nandun sa GAD. Sabi nyo, kayo po yung nagmamalasakit. Kinukuha ko lang yung tanong ko dun sa statement po ninyo. Di po ba? And that is the implication of your statement. Di ba? Na yung mga pumunta dun sa GAD, wala silang malasakit dyan sa mga sinamahan mo ngayong araw na ito. Hindi ba dapat tama lang yun?
Hindi naman po ganun, Your Honor. But again, apologies po kung hindi po sila nandito ngayong aras na to.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Chairman Akop. But anyway, we'll discuss, after discussing the three major resource person that is not present today, balikan po natin yun sa council, no? Kasi mukhang ano na to eh. Noong nakaraan, nandun din sa Cagayan, ngayon nandun si Bol. Mamaya po pag-usapan natin yan, attorney. Mukhang umiiwas kayo eh. O umiiwas sila. Anyway, in the case of Mayor Ryan Dolor, he was absent for the past several hearings. Wala po. Hindi po dumating dito yung mayor. Si Vice Mayor po dumating once. No? Now, we have received a copy of the excuse letter of the mayor, and attached is the travel authority signed by the good governor of Batangas, Governor Mandanas, giving him the authority to travel to the United States from March 11 to March 26. Ito lang po yung just for the record, ito lang po yung medyo pagtataka. Kasi supposedly the first scheduled hearing that was postponed was March 11. At na-release, lahat ng invitation was March 5. No? Lahat ng mga invitation was released during supposedly the first hearing was March 11. And all the invitation was released March 5. Pero humingi siya ng travel authority March 11 to 26. Yes, admin, do you want to say something?
Your Honor, actually po yung travel authority is just an extension of his previous travel authority issued by the good governor. The original travel authority was until March 10, so he sought extension po of the travel authority.
Whatever, attorney, what I'm saying is the invitation was sent out for March 11 hearing, March 5. But the extension was March 11 to 26. Hindi ba nakapagtataka yun?
Your Honor, dahil nga po yung pong travel authority would expire on March 10.
Hindi nga, whatever. Bakit hindi na lang kumuha ulit ng travel authority after this hearing? Di ba? Well, in fact, the only attached documents here is the travel authority of the good governor. Wala pong medical, whatever. Wala. And he was absent for the past, since the very first hearing. Wala po siya dito. Umiiwas yung mayor nyo. Kahit itong mga councilors nyo, may problema rin to kasi the invitation was also sent out March 5. Mamaya, tatanungin pa kita dyan tungkol sa GAD na seminar na yan. But anyway, with this excuse letter that was sent to us by Mayor Ryan Dolor, this is unacceptable. Hindi po, for me, this is not valid reason for him to be absent today. Pang-apat na po ito. So what's the pleasure of the members of this committee? And that includes all the members present in the Zoom.
Mr. Chair,
Yes.
before
Vice
I
Chair.
also have to raise, I was looking at this letter kanina eh. Una, po, it did not state what kind of medical treatment he is actually seeking, Mr. Chair. No, wala man lang medical records or anything like that to justify his absence. Second po, is that parang sinadyang i-time to yung extension for the travel authority because we already scheduled a hearing after the expiration of the original travel authority. So, medyo halata po na iniiwasan tayo ni Mayor Dolor eh. I don't know why, no? Because it has been the fourth meeting po na absent siya. And lastly, no, sa observation ko lang po sa letter niya is that this letter from the Office of the City Mayor is dated March 13. Tama ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
And he's in the United States.
Yes, Your Honor.
So how was the seal attached? How was it signed?
Actually po, through his authority po, he just emailed us the originally signed document, and we had it sealed po sa Office of the Mayor.
Okay, so original signed.
Yes po.
How was it sent?
Via email po.
Email.
Yes.
Okay, so e-signature to.
Yeah, yes, Your Honor.
All right. Kasi, imposible naman na in 4 straight hearings hindi makaka-attend si Mayor, di ba? And he's a very, for me, important na resource person in this particular, because it involves most of the actions of the LGU nga. No, so, the fact na it did not even state what kind of medical treatment he's getting, no? Wala man lang medical records attached to justify his absence, and for me, it's obviously just trying to avoid appearing in this committee, Mr. Chair.
That's all. Thank you, Vice Chair. So, what's the pleasure of the members of this committee? Chairman Akop, please
Mr.
proceed.
Chair, for continuously not attending the hearings in spite of the invitations given for 4 times, may I respectfully move that we declare Mayor Ryan Dolor in contempt. So move, Mr. Chair.
I second, Mr. Chair.
There is a motion to cite in contempt Mayor Ryan Dolor of Butuan, Batangas. Duly seconded. Any objections from the members in the Zoom? Nobody objects? No objections. No objections. Hearing no objections, the motion is carried. Mayor Ryan Doloro Bawan, Batangas is cited in contempt for violation of, for not attending the continuous absence of this in this hearing. Just for the record, the violation being made by Mayor Dolor is in the violation of Section 11, Paragraph A, refusal to attend the hearings without valid excuse. Thank you. Yes,
Mr. Chair, I move that he be detained in the premises of the House of Representatives, Mr. Chair. For a period of... until this committee hearing is terminated, Mr. Chair, or until he appears.
there's a motion to detain Mayor Doloro Bawan, Batangas in the premises of the House of Representatives until this investigation is being terminated. Duly seconded. Any objections from the members in the Zoom? Comsec, please check if somebody objected.
We're checking now.
There's no objections. The motion is carried. Mayor Doloro Bawan, Batangas will be detained in the House premises until this hearing is terminated. Thank you. Now, we'd just like to remind admin, attorney, please
Yes, sir.
advise your client, advise your mayor that he has all the right for an appeal.
Yes,
By
Your Honor.
tomorrow, you can send your appeal.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Let's proceed with in the case of Mr. Joseph Yu and Mr.